Oh my god. Oh my god. Move, duck. Oh my god. Wow.
Let's go touch it.
Wow. Let's go take a look. This is terrible.
It came off.
See? Wow, this is huge. Let's see. The car under it must be damaged. You can. Wow, it's terrible. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Move, duck. Oh my god. Oh my god. The car must be destroyed.
At least the roof, part of the roof.
Or the window, Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see it.
If they have moved the car, it's probably better.
Yeah. Probably
Okay, insurance company. Wow.